Oh, and he hid?
The alligator could eat the whole thing. Jump, jump, jump.
Were they scared? Hey, eat. That wasn't nice. Johnny, were the kids scared?
Yeah. You bet they were.
Then what happened?
His tongue was licking. His feet was picking. You bet you were. You stop.
Hey, be nice. No hitting.
You bet you were. Mouth was open. He wanted to eat the children inside.
Oh my goodness. Were the children scared?
The alligator ate the pillow.
Oh my goodness. Johnny, were the children scared?
Yeah. You bet they were. You bet you were. I was flashing. His mouth was opening. His tongue was licking.
Were the children scared?
You bet they were. You bet they were. You stop.
What happened next?
Hey, I'm going to do the next. He came closer and closer and closer.
Oh my goodness, that's too close.
He came closer. And he opened.
Then what happened?
You get out of here, alligator. Were the alligator scared?
Was the alligator?
You bet he was.
Oh my
Then
goodness.
he ran away.
That silly alligator.
Bum, 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 bum. They bump and the whisper and kick.
Easy. We don't want to tear it.
Now, he's going back to his home. Do you know water was in there?
Oh yeah?
Tommy said that.
There was water in there?
Yeah.
Aw.
Let's read it again.
Gonna read it to me again? All right.